This video is just a follow-up to the pickup that I got from Soul Supremacy, and that I stated I was going to go ahead and put a layer of Soul Bright on the outsole to go ahead and get these back icy. There is a little oxidation around the toe and midfoot on both shoes, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some Soul Bright, get it popping.
You done had all the rappers, I'm the one, yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I remember how I feel, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'ma tell you it's real, yeah. Split a pack of the woods down. Ride with me, yeah, you wish you could now. Always come and go and never fail. It was never love, I could tell now. She pop 'em up, blue Chanel just to get it up. Parking lot full of foreign hoes on the regular, with their painted toes in their heels. Let's go find a place that's far from here, for real, far from real. Now it's like this, now it's like this. I wish I could do the impossible. I wish I could do the impossible. Now it's like this, now it's like this. I wish I could do the impossible. I can do the impossible. And you the one, you know me the best. You the one I call when I'm stressed. It's the time of year when I'm alone. It's the time of the year we did our own. I can't lie when I'm out on the west. Yeah, the west, yeah, the west side. And lately I ain't been feeling the best.
Alright folks, went ahead and iced the soles, iced the second one, wrapped them up. I added some reinforcement, so I added some tape, and I pretty much taped the midfoot and around the edges. I'm gonna allow these to sit out in the sun for about 3 to 4 hours possibly, and see what happens. To be continued. This is at 3 hours. Still got a little bit yellowing on the side here and here. So I'm gonna give it a few more hours, then I'm gonna bring them in. Take a look at them. Check them out. All right, we back. So after 5 hours of baking in the sun, I have a finished product that I'm pretty happy with. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Check it out. Check out the side. The other side. I definitely stand by Soul Bright, the product from Angelus. It actually does a really good job at removing oxidation. So if you're ever needing to remove oxidation out of your soles, that product that you see in the background is definitely a product to use. Now I brought a pair of DS white metallic 5s just to do a comparison of the soles. Now this is an unworn DS pair, never hit the ground. Now just to compare it to the worn pair Fire Red 5s, here, check out the bottoms. Metallics is DS, Fire Reds is worn. It definitely can pass as a DS model. But just look, the color, the iciness, it's all there. Really dope job. I really like how icy it gets the soles. Once again, shout out to Soul Supremacy for the pickup from eBay. And shout out to Soul Angelus for the Soul Bright. And if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Follow me on IG at Mr. Mitos. Subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos to come. It's your boy Romy Roman. I'm out. Peace.
Metro told me held on with the slow flow. Sizzle in the cut with the fofo. Lot of money make a bitch evil. That's why I gotta keep a Desert Eagle. Free man. Fucking up the check, what's the program? I just blow the bag, what's the program? I just went shopping.